Hey guys, this is my 2018 BMW M3 Competition with the winter wheels on, and this is actually the first point of view I've ever done. Yes, I have kids, so you can see the kid seats back there. Love this car, and the intention of today's video is to show you some of beautiful Greenwich, maybe open it up just a little bit on some good roads, and just kind of talk to you about what is happening this year on my channel a little bit, and kind of my thoughts on being a car enthusiast. Just because it's been a rough winter not having that much driving time in, but now that we're heading into spring, it's early March, I expect there to be a lot of great times ahead. With the season starting, I'm excited. And I'm sure you are too. And if you live in California or Florida or any place, Texas, any place warm, then God bless you. You have this probably 365 days a year, more or less. So that is really, really cool. But for us, for everyone else, there's, about 7 or 8, 9 months worth of season that, you get some really nice roads and warm weather and time to meet other enthusiasts and experience other cars and do what it is that we like to do. So this really is a therapy session for me because I haven't gone on many drives. I don't mean to get too personal, but I've been dealing with some close losses recently. Thankfully, for natural causes and not anything out of the ordinary, no COVID, but still really rough times recently with losses in the last year, and just excited to finally get into point of views. I'd rather not name specifics. Just look at my past if you want to get a sense of what kind of cars I've had. But I'm very confident we're going to do a lot of point of views, and most of them will not be people talking. They're just going to be very visceral. So I'm going to dial up the modes here again. So I got M2, which is all the way dialed in. I'm going to change that back to sport. I wasn't expecting screeching of the tires, but I think that's just because of the cold grip. It's not like I just let any of these cars go. Look at this. Very few cars have truly got me this excited that I've owned, and I hope for you that if you own a car now and it makes you that excited, that you truly enjoy it, you do your best to have fun with it, because I know I've tried to drive boring cars and it just doesn't work for me, man. I got this one in DCT, by the way, if you're thinking, oh, why doesn't he have manual? I got this one in DCT for a couple reasons. One is 95% of the time I'm not doing this or a lot more aggressive. I'm driving it, the family around or just around town. I wanted my wife to enjoy it. And there's not many roads that are very fun and available. So that's why, I'm going to transition to my next thought. I'm going to be doing a lot of these where I go to areas in the New York area that where the roads are good, show you around the area, share some thoughts, and show you the driving experience with top-notch audio. Besides getting just some point of view drives of raw footage of very, very nice cars. That's coming. That's coming once the weather warms up. And we're going to be on a very specific road that is truly meant for opening it up, because it's going to be up in the mountains. So that's definitely coming. I'm going to try my best to make it interesting, is what I was getting at. I am going to bring up topics that are close to anybody's car enthusiast mind, and only topics like that on these therapy drives. That's the plan. Alright, so I'm going to go into quiet mode and try to get some good footage of me driving, and then I'm going to end this. because I feel like I've reached my place here. So let's see if we can create some space one more time. Maybe drive past the street right here. Try to do a roll from here. There we go. Okay, that was fun. And we'll take this turn fast. I love signs like that. Signs like that get me excited. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to pull over. Maybe do a quick walk around the car one more time in case the other walk around did not come in so well. And I'm going to call it a day.